Hello, I see you're interested in learning software engineering, and I must say you made a very wise decision. In today's world, software engineering powers everything from mobile apps to websites to banking systems and artificial intelligence. Companies in Nigeria and across the world are looking for skilled software engineers, and this is your chance to be part of a high-paying, fast-growing industry. And the best part is you've come to the right place. Welcome to Bizmaro Technologies, the best training institute in Nigeria, where we provide you practical hands-on training on software engineering that will make you job ready. Now, what is software engineering? Software engineering is the process of designing, developing, and maintaining high-quality software solutions that power businesses, apps, and systems. Training will equip you with the technical skills and problem-solving mindset to build software applications used by millions of people. At Bizmaro Technologies, our software engineering course covers everything you need to know to become a professional software engineer. From the programming language where you learn Python, JavaScript, Java or C+, to web development where you master the front end and the back end development. Database management where you work with SQL and NoSQL database like MySQL and MongoDB. Software applications and design where you learn how to build scalable and secure applications. API integration where you learn how to build and integrate RESTful APIs. Version control using Git and GitHub where you learn how to manage code and collaborate with teams. Agile software development where you work with modern development methodologies using Scrum and DevOps. Cloud computing where you learn how to deploy applications using AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. Cyber security and software testing. This will ensure security and performance in your application. And by the end of this training, you'll be able to build and deploy a fully functional software solution. With software engineering skills, you can work in Nigeria or internationally as a software engineer, a full stack developer, a mobile app developer, either on Android or iOS, a full stack developer either for back end or front end, a machine learning, cyber security analyst, DevOps engineer, or a cloud engineer. Tech companies, startups, banks, and even global organizations are actively hiring software engineers, and with this training you will get the skills to apply for these high-paying jobs and even work remotely as a freelancer. Now, why choose Bizmaro? At Bizmaro Technology, we train you with real-world projects to make sure that you become job-ready. With our practical hands-on training, you learn by building real-world projects from day one. We offer one-on-one training where a trainer is assigned to each student. Classrooms are not crowded. Here we keep our classrooms small for personalized learning. At Bizmaro Technologies, our training covers industry-relevant technologies and practices. You also have an opportunity to build real-life projects before you graduate. And guess what? Physical and online classes are available so you can learn from anywhere in Nigeria or outside of Nigeria. Take action now. The demand for software engineers is rising more than ever. This is your chance to gain high-paying, globally in-demand tech skills and start your career in tech. Don't wait, delay is dangerous. Click the link below or visit Bizmaro Technologies to start your career in software engineering. See you in my next video. Bye.